Unlocking the game reference in Pass and Go. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in conversations or even in business meetings: pass and go. This expression has a playful origin and a serious application in real-world scenarios. Get ready to explore its meaning and how you can use it in your English conversations. The phrase, pass and go, comes from the classic board game Monopoly. In Monopoly, when you pass the go square, you collect $200. It marks a complete circuit of the board and represents progress and earning a reward. Pass and go has entered everyday language because of the universal popularity of the game. When someone uses the phrase, pass and go, outside of the Monopoly game, they mean that a certain threshold has been crossed or a basic requirement has been met. It can imply progression to a new stage or receiving a benefit as a result of moving forward. For example, in a business setting, if a project reaches a point where it can no longer be stopped or reversed, someone might say, "We're passing go on this project." It means the project is officially underway and now they are moving on to the next phase. Let's look at some examples of how to use pass and go in sentences. 1. After pass and go, we will start implementing the new company policy. 2. The new law is effectively pass and go, which means we need to adjust our strategies accordingly. 3. She felt that getting her driver's license was like pass and go in the game of adulthood. Notice how in all these examples, pass and go is associated with an action that leads to advancement or unlocks a new level of opportunity. It's also worth noting that pass and go can be varied for effect or clarity, such as, just like pass and go, to draw a direct comparison with the game. We've passed go, to indicate a completed action. Before we pass go, to discuss prerequisites. Understanding these variations will help you comprehend the nuances when this phrase is used in different contexts. I hope this exploration of pass and go adds a fun and useful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is like a game of Monopoly. It takes strategy, patience, and occasionally, you'll pass go and collect your rewards in the form of fluency milestones. Keep practicing, and you'll keep progressing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.